The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hey there, and welcome to MakingRealEstateFun.com. We're here at Marquis on Maple in Downers Grove. It's a fantastic new condo building that is for sale. There's a number of units. And we're here with Geraldo Roman, who is the leasing agent, representative, and whatever else you want to call him.
Broker.
And broker for the units here. So we thought we would talk to him a little about it, see what's going on, and really just get a feel of the city living in the suburbs. So
Sure thing. Well, we have 55 residential units. They're 2 and 3 bedroom units. Our starting price point's $330,000 for a 1,200 square foot unit.
okay,
2 bedrooms come with 1 indoor parking spot, which is included in the price. It is deeded, so you own it. And 3 bedroom units come with 2 indoor deeded parking spots, and those also are included in the price.
okay. So I have a question then. So if you get a family that comes in here,
Okay.
and you have 1 deeded spot, can they rent another one? Is that
Well,
how you guys do
they
it?
have an option to purchase, if they would like, a second parking space, but they would be outdoor. They are in the development, in the secured development in the courtyard. It is deeded. It's an additional $20,000 if they want to buy a second parking
Which is
spot.
real reasonable.
Yeah, and the one thing there is that we're limited with parking. So at some point, we will not be able to sell additional spaces because we have 55 units total.
Right.
All the 3 bedrooms are secured with at least 2 spots. 2 bedrooms are secured with 1 spot.
Right.
But if they need a second spot, at some point they'll end up renting from someone if they really need a second parking spot. Or having some other means like the Downers Grove parking structure to park at.
Yeah, so when people, that's really good, because what happens is people come and they want to live here, and then they walk 3 or 4 blocks to the train and take
Absolutely.
it into the city and go to work and come back,
Yeah.
eat dinner, drink, do whatever.
Yeah, and a lot of our 2-bedroom buyers have been doing exactly that. They only really need 1 space, and they figure they're taking public transportation, so that's all they really need.
You guys have a beautiful building here. What made you guys decide to build here?
Well, it wasn't obviously the developer. My understanding is that they used to own the 2 structures that were historical landmarks that sat on this site. They sold them some time ago, and they recently had repurchased them and decided to knock them down and build new construction. It's their first development project, but I think it turned out really, really well.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I can't wait to take a tour, but the amenities that you guys, just walking in here at this little showroom here, it's very, very
Yeah.
cool.
So the whole ground floor, one of the really nice things about the building is that the whole ground floor is dedicated to just all the amenities in the building. So all the residential units start on the 2nd floor and go all the way through the 5th floor. And the whole ground floor is dedicated, as I said, to the amenities. It's got a full fitness room. We're in the residential lounge, which is really big. Owners can sit exactly like we're doing here and chatting and getting to know each other. We got a television
Great TV.
in the back, big
That's
TV, flat
fantastic.
screen. We got a fireplace for the winter months that they can turn on. And then we got the club room, which is directly behind us, which the residents will be able to reserve in advance to be able to do like birthday parties or celebrate a gathering. And it's got an outdoor patio area, which is nice. There are a couple of restrooms down here, so folks don't have to go up to their residencies to use the restrooms. And then outside we have the outdoor courtyard, which has 2 fire pits, a gas grill, some outdoor seating. Really nice building. Very, very nice building.
Yeah, another one of the things that's really nice that people can't see, on cameras, location-wise. You guys are located, just steps away from the train, which is cool. Right off the main strip here, and it's just really, really nice.
Yeah, downtown Downers Grove, right? You turn the corner right here and you're right on Main
Yeah,
Street.
you're right in the heart of it.
Yeah, and you walk right to the train. Just north of us, you have Route 88, jump on the expressway. I think it's really, really convenient.
Yeah. Well, you know, there's so many things that this place has, and I see this all the time now, you know. People want to live in the city, but yet they don't want to live in the city sometimes, and they want to live in the suburbs. So you have families that go in there and they live for a while, and then they want to come back out to the suburbs, have their kids, do whatever. So the demographics for this, for the units here, I mean, it's pretty mixed, isn't it?
Very mixed. We're starting to see folks that are downsizing. They just don't want to maintain homes anymore, want to simplify their lives, just want to be able to come into their units and run when they're ready to run. And young professionals that are also doing the same, you know, so we're getting a very good mix in the building.
Yeah. This vibe is cool. It feels like a city condo.
I was gonna say that. Right.
Located in the burbs. It's really, really
Absolutely, and I would say for considerably a lot less
Oh,
in
yeah.
terms of, you know, quality, what you're getting, you know, definitely not compromised, but you're definitely getting it for a much better price.
Well, and what's nice is it's a secured front door,
Correct.
so nobody can just walk in here and, you know, think they're gonna just do something or visit people or rob them or anything because, you know,
Way to go,
like,
Keith.
darn, my next job is out.
No, yeah, you're right. Surveillance cameras that are monitored from the on-site manager's office, which is nice. So those surveillance cameras monitor the front, monitor the parking, monitor the adjacent sides of the building. So, you know, in terms of security, I think it's very, very well kept. You know, it's real tight.
What are your assessments?
Assessments on a 2-bedroom, you're averaging around $275 a month. On a 3-bedroom, you're closer to $400 because the square footage from a 2 to a 3-bedroom goes from 1,200 to almost 2,000. I think we started just short of 1,800 square feet. But assessments are low because partly it's new construction, so a lot of the maintenance will be deferred for a while. You're not going to be doing painting or really anything, maintenance for windows or exterior work for quite some time. So yeah, that'll keep the assessments low.
What did you say the average square foot was?
12, well, on a 2, so here, of the 55 units, the bulk of the building is 2-bedroom. 43 units are 2-bedroom and only 12 are 3-bedroom. So a small amount of unit are 3 bedrooms. And again, 1,200 roughly is the square footage on a 2-bedroom. We do have some 2-bedrooms that are just under 1,500, but it's just a couple of units.
1,200 is that's a pretty decent size.
Well, and when you get to walk these units, which you will shortly, you'll see that 9-foot ceilings. A lot of folks think that they're larger than 1,200 square feet. They're planned out very well.
Well, cool, let's go check them out.
Sure thing.
Let's go.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.